I'm getting in here. Okay, I got 4. Um, so I wanna see SPY using this level here as resistance. Let's see. Okay, I like that, but I'm looking Apple and Apple is holding 172, so we need Apple to lose 172. Okay, that's a good one. That's a good move. So I'm gonna hold as long as the SPY keeps like using yesterday's low or pre-market low as resistance. Yeah. Apple needs to lose 172 for the market to really die here. So far, SPY is looking very weak, but yeah. Let's watch 357. It's a level of support on the Q. Um, yeah. And AMD doesn't want it to go lower. It's like fighting there. Mm, yeah, that was a perfect entry on this down play here. Okay, 422.50 around there, 422.50, 51. It's kind of my level for support, but I can also see like some support here. But I think as long as Apple keeps looking weak, the market can keep going lower. But yeah, I can see some around 423.50, some support there. And 423. But Apple is dying, so that's gonna help my play there. Is anybody playing this downside with me? How you guys doing so far? Nice. We want to see a rejection here. Yeah, we need a rejection here. Okay, I don't like that. That's extremely bullish there. What the heck? Yeah, it's a break and retest, but it's too strong. I don't like that. Let's see how the 5 minute candle is gonna close. But I understand why, because NQ is at a strong support, but Apple is still looking weak. Okay, we wanna see that. We wanna see the rejection, like just like that. Mm. Okay, I wanna see the 5 minute candle closing like that. We have 50 seconds for that. And Apple keeps looking very weak, so that's good. Netflix is trying to hold, but I want to see Netflix holding 380 above this level here. 386, 387. Okay, that's looking perfect. I'm gonna sell two, just to lock some profit here, holding just one. I'm sorry, holding two. Only holding two, sold two, holding two. ES is at, okay, ES is at support. Okay, that's looking beautiful. I'm selling one more just because it's very close to my support here. I'm holding only one. Yeah. We had a good morning today. Good trade today. I just need AMD to lose 102 and use it as resistance. That's all I need. I don't know, Sam. We need to wait and see. Remember, trading is not about like guessing what's gonna happen. You just need to wait and see how the market is gonna react on that level, and that's it. You can't just predict what's gonna happen. You need to wait, see if it's gonna bounce, if it's gonna give you like a bullish candle there, or if you're gonna break it and use it as resistance. Just wait and see. So far, nothing is looking bullish. Like 15 minutes all red, candles all red, 30-minute candles all red. But yeah, that's my next level of support. And we maybe bounce, we maybe like keeps going lower. I don't know. The next one looks like it's 421. If breaks that support, the next one is 421. And then it has a gap to fill here towards 420. Thank you. Okay, we need AMD and AMD. It's getting, I think in AMD, it looks like a head and shoulder here, but I don't know. It's been holding so good, but it should go lower. If AMD can't break this level here today with the market going lower, I'm gonna get out because that means it's extremely strong. And on any bounce on the market, it's gonna just go hard. But I'm gonna wait a little bit until I see the Q or Apple being bullish. So far, both are looking bearish. And looks like the next level of support here on QQQ is 356. And for AMD, if you want to play puts on AMD, just wait until AMD breaks this pre-market low and use it as resistance. Let's see what's the next. Okay, so next support here is 356. So it has a lot of support at 355 and 356. Between 357 and 356. We have support there. And also SPA, it's a level of support. And same with Apple. Mm, I got out.